Hello everybody and welcome back to another Weather Guide video. Today we are talking about Winter Storm Quiana. We're already at the Q name, and this one's going to be a small area of precip, but it's going to dump a lot of snow. This is Tropical Tidbits, so as we click through, you can see right now it's in the lower Rockies, right east of the Four Corners. Then, as we progress through time, there's going to be a little bit out in front, just a nice little flurry. And then we get the main part of this storm. This thin area of super heavy snow. We're getting these pinks, guys, and that means that we're seeing, I think this is whatever it is, it's a lot of snow per hour. Then it moves off, and we have areas that have seen a lot of snowfall this month, getting more snow. Minneapolis, Green Bay is going to be on the mix line, but then they're going to end off as snow. And another concern for this storm is blizzard conditions, because it's going to be cold enough, and as we click over here, there's going to be strong enough winds, especially as the storm winds up. You can see some of these yellows and greens. That's 20 to 36 miles an hour, which sustained is enough to cause blizzard conditions. So what is the snow totals for this storm? Well, let's just click through here. So that's the track of the storm. It's going to go north and leave the states through Michigan. East Coast is going to see all rain, and there's going to be a lot of rain. Let's show you the total accumulated precip here, and then we'll show you the snow totals. As you can see, a widespread area of over half an inch from Texas to Connecticut, Rhode Island. And then another area, which is going to be mainly snow, from Kansas into Canada. Now, those snow totals are going to be very significant. I now post weather maps on my Instagram, so go check that out. I try and accurately depict this, so I try my best. So from Kansas all the way to Canada, that same area that we just saw with over half an inch, is going to see over 6 inches of snow. And from the Marquette area, and then Minneapolis is probably going to be on the line between probably 5 to 7 inches. Then, as you get further north, areas in Wisconsin, southeast Minnesota, Iowa, and the UP of Michigan are going to see over a foot of snow. And then on the East Coast, just some snow in the high elevations and Maine. Not much, and that will all melt away with the higher temperatures. And these temperatures are going to be, because to get blizzard conditions, you're going to need some cold air to get fluffy snow to blow around to cause that blizzard conditions. And in the areas that we're seeing the most snow, it's going to be at the time that it is going, it's going to be around freezing. So there is possibility of blizzard conditions, but afterwards we're seeing a huge dive in temperatures. I mean, we're going back into the negatives in Minneapolis and Green Bay. So definitely something to watch for. This is definitely an interesting storm. I mean, you don't usually see a storm that produces a band of really heavy snowfall like this one is going to. And then if we look at higher wind, this thing's going to generate a lot of upper level winds. which that all funnels down to the lower level. So on the southern end, we have been seeing a lot of rain recently. So more rain is not going to solve much. There's going to be areas of river flooding, especially on the Mississippi, because the Mississippi has such a large watershed area, and areas like in Pennsylvania, like near Pittsburgh, are going to get a nice cluster of thunderstorms. It's going to dump a lot of rain, and the Ohio River feeds into the Mississippi, which all drains out near New Orleans, and no offense, but we know how New Orleans takes water. So that is basically it. There's going to be definitely some state of emergencies if they haven't already been called. So just stay off the roads. It's probably not a good idea with all that snow coming down. If you are in this target zone, it's probably better just to let the plows do their job. They're not going to be able to see much as it is, so it's just easier if you stay off the roads. Just let them do their thing and just ride out the storm, watch the snow fall, and then afterwards there will be some more powder there. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, comment in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next time.